Oh, it's that time again for another episode of Gossip Girls. I'm Eric Halbert. With us today, Jessica. We know when Jessica's here, it's a good day because it's Friday. All right, Jessica, we start out with someone that is a mega superstar and doing things, well, that she does normally, right?
Yes. Well, Jennifer Aniston, she's actually filming her movie, The Bachelor in NYC.
Wait, the what?
The Bachelor.
B-A-S-T-E-R.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
In NYC, and she looks like she's in a good mood despite the rumors of her on-set diva attitude.
Ooh.
But it's just rumors, so
Okay.
It seems Jen has been keeping a low profile while in NYC, given that her ex-husband, Brad Pitt's baby mama, Angelina Jolie, is also in town making her film Salt. And an inside source revealed that Jennifer is keeping a low-key profile and just staying in her hotel room so they don't go out to the restaurant and just run into each other.
That's the reason she's wearing the hat.
And
right?
Brad Pitt is actually in town, too. He just visited Angelina on the set.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's going to get nasty. Speaking of getting nasty, oh, Britney Spears, she's having some issues in her gastrointestinal area.
Well, kind of.
Oh, okay.
Britney Spears, well, she's been having some trouble with this tour, and it seems like she's struggling once again. With energetic dance routines, Britney is reportedly not able to keep up, and she feels like she's dizzy, nauseous, and even losing clumps of her hair. Like one of her hair extensions actually fell out. A source said that the choreography is insane, and it's really taking a toll on her. But there actually have been a couple times where she's had to leave the stage, and she's thrown up.
And there it is,
Yeah.
gastrointestinal problem. A hair extension falling out is really not her hair, though, right?
No.
So it's like, she could have stepped on it and it falls out,
Yeah.
right? Okay, just checking. I don't know. Again, one of the beauties of this segment is there are people that I've never heard of, but we're talking about them, and this is one of them.
Well, Robert Pattinson, he's a huge star right now because of the Twilight books and the actual movies.
Never heard of him.
And he is uneasy about actually hopping into a relationship given his newfound fame. He told press that he is worried about ruining their lives, especially with people who aren't famous. He said it's hard when getting photographed because people analyze every little part of your body.
And again, every time we hear this from a celebrity, the simple solution, don't be on television or in the movies anymore, and then you won't have that problem, right?
Right.
Okay. Does someone who has leapt into the spotlight lately is this woman who sings, and what's her, wow.
Well, that's the before picture.
Okay, the before.
Okay,
of
this is Susan Boyle.
Okay.
She became a superstar overnight on The Britain's Got Talent.
Right.
I don't know if you actually heard her sing, but
No.
she's changing her appearance, and she got rid of the gray hair, and she looks good.
This is the after.
Yes.
Okay. She looks very stylish.
She looks younger.
She looks like she could be modeling for Librarians or Us, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. And I've heard, not that I know anything about it, but there's a 12-year-old boy now on the show that's giving her a run for the money now.
Yes, that's what I've heard, too,
Oh,
but
boy.
I actually haven't heard them.
Okay, but if you want to find out more about that, you can check on our link to gossipgirls.com on our website, ToledoOnTheMove.com.